Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's webinar, From Challenges to Tangible Benefits, Optimize Time, Costs, and Quality with Breton Genesi Large Format 3D Printing. So before getting started, I'm going to introduce everyone. I'm Julia Steiner, English Content Specialist at 3D Natives. And as you know, 3D Natives is the largest online media platform for 3D printing. And with us today, we have our experts from Breton, Ariana Toncelli, who's the Strategy and Marketing Director, and Enrico Bragagnolo, Sales Area Manager. So Ariana is responsible for defining market strategies that promote technical innovation and strengthen the company's global presence. Her contribution is key to driving Breton's growth and brand evolution in international markets. Since 2000, Enrico has been supporting customers in their investment and improvement processes, helping them to increase their efficiency and flexibility through the adoption of Breton additive and subtractive technologies. Now I can move on to the agenda.